A prospective clinical study of upper gastrointestinal bleeding. Gastrointestinal bleeding, also known as gastrointestinal hemorrhage, is all forms of bleeding in the gastrointestinal tract from mouth to the rectum. Upper gastrointestinal bleeding includes hemorrhage originating from above ligament of Treitz. GI bleeding can be potentially life-threatening. Rapid assessment and resuscitation should precede diagnostic evaluation in unstable patients with acute severe bleeding. Upper GI bleed usually present with hematemesis, coffee ground emesis or Malina. Acute upper GI bleeding is assessed by risk scores such as Rockall score and Glasgow-Blatchford score. To study the clinical aspects of upper gastrointestinal bleeding in a tertiary care hospital, total 100 patients were included for a period of 1 year. Patients with age above 18 years and below 60 years of both sexes presenting with gastrointestinal bleed were included. All the patients were stabilized and subjected to endoscopic procedure within 72 hours. Severity was assessed by Rockall score. In this study, the most common clinical presentation is Malina. Chronic liver disease is the most frequent associated comorbid condition. There is an association of alcohol with that of upper GI bleed. Upper GI bleed is a common medical emergency. In this study conducted in a tertiary care hospital, the most common presentation of upper GI bleed is Malina. It is associated with the more incidence of duodenal ulcer. The frequent associated comorbid condition is chronic liver disease. Alcohol shares a significant role in the onset of upper GI bleed. Gastrointestinal (GI) bleeding refers to any bleeding that happens anywhere along the digestive tract, from the mouth to the rectum. It can be serious and even life-threatening, but many cases can be managed safely, especially if treated early. GI bleeding is usually categorized into two types: upper GI bleeding, which occurs in the esophagus, stomach, or upper part of the small intestine, and lower GI bleeding, which happens in the lower parts of the intestines. Upper GI bleeding is more common in older adults, especially those taking blood thinners, pain medications like NSAIDs, or steroids. Common causes include stomach ulcers, varicose veins in the esophagus, esophageal varices, tears from vomiting, Molliway's tears, inflammation of the stomach or duodenum, and certain cancers. Symptoms of upper GI bleeding include vomiting blood, bright red or coffee ground appearance, and passing black, tarry stools. If bleeding is very fast, it may cause red blood in the stool, which is more typical of lower GI bleeding. Although hospitalizations for upper GI bleeding have decreased over the past decade, it remains a common medical emergency with a risk of death, especially in severe or repeated cases. Doctors use special scoring systems like the Rockall score or Glasgow-Blatchford score to assess the risk of complications and to guide treatment decisions. In emergencies, stabilizing the patient comes first. Once stable, doctors work to find the cause of bleeding and prevent it from happening again. Early treatment and proper risk assessment can improve outcomes significantly. Upper GI bleed is a common medical emergency. In this study conducted in a tertiary care hospital, the most common presentation of upper GI bleed is Malina. It is associated with more incidence of duodenal ulcer. The frequent comorbid condition associated is chronic liver disease. Alcohol shares a significant role in onset of upper GI bleed. This important article is authored by the following scientists: Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.